So, hello guys. So, I am first time here in the Philippines, so that's why I eating Filipino food. So, I want to eat this kind of ulam here in the Philippines. Sinigang. Sinigang na baboy. So, I'm sorry. Sinigang na manok. So, titikman natin ang sinigang na manok. Yan. So, sabi ng mga Arabo, masarap daw ang sinigang na manok. So, I try. What the taste of this kind of food here in the Philippines. Sabi ng mga kababayan ko masarap daw ito. So, titikman natin. First time here in the Philippines. So, try natin. So, baka nagtataka kayo kasi marunong akong mag-Tagalog. Ang aking nanay ay Pilipina. So, ang aking tatay Malabo. Masarap pala. Masarap pala itong sinigang na manok. Delicious to. So that's why I love Filipino people. I love Filipino food. Full of this kind of vegetable here in the Philippines is okra. This kind of vegetable here is called kangkong. Delicioso. Masarap talaga ulam ng Pilipino. Sinigang ng manok. Ayan, Pilipino. So that's why I want to stay here in the Philippines. I want to eat all the kind of food here in the Philippines. Like adobo na kilawin. Last time I don't take the kilawin soup. I love it kilawin. I really like it. I like this kind of food. Yummy. So guys, bye bye. Thank you.